Here's the recipe for berry mallow. Take your cookie crumbs, mix it with butter, press it into a pan and set aside. Look at the directions on your jello box to find how much total water is required. Use 70% of that water as boiling water and dissolve the jello powder. Now add the frozen fruit and stir. Once it is almost set, pour it into your cooled cookie crust and spread evenly. Then it is time to make your mello. Heat the milk in a small saucepan and then add your marshmallows. Gently stir the marshmallows until completely melted. Whisk your whipping cream until soft peaks are formed. The whipped cream should neither be too soft or too stiff. At this point, add the cooled marshmallow mixture to the whipping cream and slowly start to fold the marshmallow mixture into the cream until it is completely incorporated. Then pour the marshmallow cream onto the almost set jello. Using the back of a spatula, spread the marshmallow cream evenly over the jello. Now place your berry mallow into the refrigerator for at least 3 hours until completely set. More recipes can be found on sammywongskitchen.com. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and follow me on social media. Thanks!